Welcome to first day of Vlogmas 2019. If you're new here, my name is Shannon. I'm a full-time online reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and Depop at the username Shani Sells. I have an Instagram that's also Shani Sells, and everything will be linked in the description below. If you're new here, thanks so much for coming over and checking out my channel. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm super excited to be doing Vlogmas. This is my first year on YouTube at all, and I did Vlogtober and it was super fun. I made a lot of new YouTube friends, so I'm hoping to kind of, meet some new people, find some new videos, channels. So today is Sunday, December 1st, and if you're new here and you don't know, me or anything about me, I live in upstate New York. We're in the midst of a huge snowstorm. I think it was actually not as bad as they anticipated, but it is only Sunday night and it's supposed to go until like Tuesday morning, I heard. So far it's not that bad, but I was really happy to be able to just stay home today and watch Christmas movies and, watch the snowfall outside. It was amazing. I've also been working on my Poshmark and a couple other things. You'll see some clips of what I'm doing today. It's not a super interesting day to start Vlogmas besides the snow. We've already decorated our tree and everything. And if you're interested, I posted a video. My last video was Christmas Decorate with me, so go check that out. If you hear snoring, it's Renfield. That's my dog Renfield. He's very tired. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy Vlogmas as much as I know I will. And be sure to follow along on this journey. I'll see you in the video. We're playing in the snow? Hello, honey. He's a snowy boy. You wanna go out? You wanna go play in the snow? Good boy. Look at this winter wonderland. And hear the plow. Here you can kind of see, now that it's winter, the campground that is right near our house. There's a lake right there. You can't see it because it's covered in snow, but you can kind of see like an RV. That light over there is the bar. In the summer, it's funny because you can hear people partying, but it's not too loud. Usually it's pretty good. They have a quiet hour. Look at the footprints, oh my god. Where is he going? So I've been working on cross-listing my vintage items over to Etsy today. I have an Etsy account and I sold one thing over the summer, and then I kind of just like didn't put in any effort to Etsy. I haven't listed anything in months, but Christmas is coming and I have a lot of good vintage items. So I'm doing an experiment. I'm gonna try to cross list over all of my vintage items that I think will do well over there and see how they do. In order, I really wanna increase my profit every week. And I'm using Vendu, the app or the website that you can use to cross list. And I really love it. It's so much easier. Like I have it connected to all of my sites, except Depop. They don't have that option yet. But ideally, I would like to probably, list over on Etsy more than Depop. I feel like it's a pretty similar clientele that shops on there in terms of like people are looking for vintage. But I obviously know that there's a lot more people on Etsy than Depop. And I don't know. So we'll see what happens. I really only have a few listings on here. This is my Etsy shop right now. But yeah, that's what I'm working on today. Even though it's Sunday, I'm still working. And I also want to finish sending out offers on Poshmark and lowering prices over there. So we'll see what happens. This is my dinner tonight. I just don't feel like cooking. I'm gonna make Frankie dinner when he gets home from work, but I'm hungry and I just wanna like start working or continue working, so I'm just making this. It's super good. It's from Aldi. They taste just like Hot Pockets. They're a little bit healthier, but they're not the best thing. But I really haven't eaten a lot today and I'm really starving, so yum. Hey, Minnie. This is my good boy. Look at the tail. Hello, honey. Look at good boy.